It's here. My very own custom made-to-measure suede jacket by the jacket maker. Now, I've been in contact with this company for some time now about making this video review, and I'm just glad to finally be able to share my experience with you guys. Now, before we begin, I just want to disclose that the jacket maker did provide product for this video review, and I am not following an ad read of any sort, so take it how you will. I'm just sharing my experience dealing with this company. Now, for those of you who are unfamiliar with the jacket maker, they are a direct-to-consumer brand that specializes in leather goods such as jackets, coats, and shoes at a much more affordable price than what you will find in retail stores. So not only are we saving money by dealing directly with the manufacturer, but we are also getting something custom made to your specifications and measurements. And this is what drove me to try this company out. But let's just get to the style of the jacket I chose. So I was torn on what style jacket I wanted because they have a wide selection, but I ended up narrowing down my choices until, I eventually chose their Eton suede jacket. It's like a hybrid of a bomber jacket and a cardigan sweater. I also like the button closures, which is a nice change from, zippers. But yeah, I chose this because I felt like I can do a lot with this in terms of styling. Now, the jacket was shipped pretty quickly. It came directly from Pakistan via DHL, and they included, a few gifts such as a garment bag and an air freshener and a little leather booklet. Pretty cool. Now, as for my first impression, I did notice that the color is a bit off. It's a bit richer compared to the photos online, but I still love it anyway. I just love that cognac color. Now, as for the suede and craftsmanship of the jacket, I give it a thumbs up. The suede is real goat skin and it feels so soft and supple. I just love suede that brushes so smoothly with your fingers, and watching it change like shades as you glide it. You know what I'm talking about? Now, after thorough inspection of the jacket, I can't point out a single flaw in the stitching. Everything is aligned perfectly, and I love how generous they were with the suede by having, the inner pocket line outside and midway through, and adding, a wide suede border for the label. Now, another thing to note is how thick the ribbing is on this jacket. I was worried it was going to be very flimsy, but it's very sturdy enough to keep the collar standing high and can stay rolled down if you needed to. Let me show you. It's a bit hot in the studio, so I'm sorry if I'm glistening right now, but see, collar is standing very high, and then if I need to roll it, it'll stay rolled down. See that? But I really like keeping it stand up. Now, onto the fit. Rather than choosing, their standard sizing option, I chose their made-to-measure option and entered my own measurements. And as you guys can see, it fits pretty darn well. I have difficulty finding bomber jackets that fit me well off the rack, especially in the hip area. And by using my own measurements, they were able to make it meet right at the hip bone. Shoulders, waist, chest fit perfectly. And most importantly, the sleeve length is perfect, which is another issue I struggle with because I have short arms, and getting jackets like this can, be expensive if I were to take it into a tailor to get it shortened. And especially, if it was a jacket that had zippers towards the end. Now, as for the cons or unexpected surprises, I think I will have to say that I wasn't too fond of the light shoulder padding that they added. So next time I'll make a note stating that to not add that. But other than that, I think it turned out better than what I was expecting, to be honest with you, especially for the price. Another thing that kind of caught me off guard, but I should have read through the description of this style jacket, but I would have loved for it to have that inner pocket right here by the patches. There's no inner pocket here, like see, it's like a patch pocket where I have to open, I'm hoping they could do something like that. They could custom make it to have inside pockets like that. I don't know. I have to really test the customization options, which I'm going to get to in a bit. Overall, I think it's a pretty solid company, and I would love to go back and do a little bit more of that customization. on a different leather jacket, because you know they provide options to really personalize it to your liking. But yeah, I think these guys really killed it with this one, and for the price, I think it's a very great deal for what you're getting. And I'm definitely gonna revisit and try to create something else, something a little bit more unique. But they also did provide me a 10% off discount code if you guys are interested in checking them out. So make sure at checkout to use the code AS10 to get 10% off your order. So that wraps up this video. You'll definitely be seeing me wearing this in a few more upcoming videos. It's summer right now, so it's pretty damn hot. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this video review, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.